Welcome to a new home tour. Ewa's house is very special to get inspired with new ideas. Adorable and unique house decorated in rustic chic style. Highlight the wood in your house. Use lots of natural wood in your rustic chic space. It looks homey and comfortable and evokes the feeling that everyone is welcome here. Rustic chic is a good balance and can look very different depending on the space and decorator. Natural simplicity, rustic elegance harkens back to a simpler time. Quality over quantity. Decorate thinking that each piece is chosen very deliberately. Color scheme. This aesthetic evokes nature, so rich for comforting earthy colors like pale greens and soft browns when you like a pop of colors. Focus on unexpected touches. The art maintains the color palette but brings a definite soft glamour to a space. Unique items seek to evoke feelings of a time when everything was made by hand. Put a bathtub in your bathroom. Would look amazing in the bathroom. A natural bedroom. Choose romantic and cozy details in the color palette that you find in nature.